Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. So let's wait 5 minutes more and we'll start at 6:05 so that everyone can join. Good evening, everyone. Let's start with the
Good evening,
today's
sir.
good evening. So the students have joined and I hope you all have done the work as well and are keeping the hands on practice. So today we will start with a new topic, that is website design. That means how we design the website, means you will create a website by your own and publish it as well. So shall I start? My screen is visible, right?
Yes, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So as it says, our day 13, that is basics of web design, that is UX, UI, selecting templates and all. We will cover a lot in this, and also this can make you money more than all other subjects, because it's only a one time process. You just make a website, keep the money, and that's not your problem again. Like if you give a website, created a website, then he will not ask you again no, to create another website, because for that you can charge again. So that's a one time investment. So let's start here. See, to create the website, we don't use any of the codes. Yes, you just need to design the website just like in Canva. Like in Canva, we design the posters, we add some elements, pictures, and all. Same you have to done it here. And the platform name is Wix, not Wix. It's Wix. Okay, Wix.com website builder. Here we open this, and it will ask you to get started. Like it's my account is already logged in here, so let's see on this one. It's also login. See what will happen. Like on the screen you will see the option of get started. You just need to click on it and then continue with Google. Just a simple process like we do with all the tools. Okay, and after that, when you sign up with Google, it will ask you 2 or 3 questions. Okay, 2 3 questions it will ask. That is, who are you creating a website for? First it will ask that for whom you are creating a website, that is for myself, my business, or a friend. Or the second option will be for a client, a freelancer, or agency. So every time you create a website, suppose you are creating a website for a client, what you do, you create a new mail ID with their name, and then create the website on that mail ID, not on your mail. Because if because after creating the website you could just give the ID and password to him, then it will not be your responsibility that what will happen to the, or what is happening to the website. So just give me a minute, I will back here.
Sir, can the client's existing mail ID can be used?
So sorry, someone was asking something.
I'm Ram Sharma. So if
Yes, yes.
suppose the client has already existing email IDs, one or two, can he do that from that existing? Can we take his email ID and then create?
I will say suggest that you create a new mail ID, because
Okay.
then you will have the access with yourself, and after all the payments and are completed, then you
Okay.
can just hand over to him. Okay,
Right, sir. Understood. Understood.
because otherwise he will just change the password and you don't have anything with yourself.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Okay, understood that why
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
keeping a new mail ID here.
It is clear. Thank you.
Yes. So in the question that it will ask that whom you are creating website, just add for myself every time, because the ID that you will create, it will be for itself now. So we choose myself and done, nothing else. Then it will just ask you one more question, and yes, like after that question that whom you are creating, it will this screen will appear. Okay, the exact scene, that is start with start chat and setup without chat. So here start chat means it will create the website with AI, but I will suggest not to, because as of now Wix AI is not that much efficient in creating the website. Now we will start here setup without chat, and just here this option, just click on skip part here, and the final part that it will ask you is to what would you like to call your website. Okay, here you just need to enter the name of your website. Now when you are creating a website, then of course you have a name with yourself, right? Because if you are creating a for a client, for your own business, that means you have a business name, or for your business client's business name you have with yourself. So exact name will be here, but as of now we don't have anything. So what we can do, we can create the website for ourselves, for the personal website, for the portfolio showing. So for that we can go to chat gpt here, just like earlier we go for the chat gpt. So here we can ask it to suggest some names for my personal website, where I will share who I am, the portfolio of me, and the services I provide. Also, I am into the services of the digital marketing. So whatever the thing is, and it will ask, it will give us the name ideas. That is Mohit Kaushik DM, because it already knows my name here, so I haven't added my name because it already know. That is meet mohit.com, because it is using the personal branding name. And professional plus service oriented, that is marketing with Mohit, boost with Mohit, Mohit marketing hub, and so on. So I can use any one of them, or I can just search for more. So here I like this one, Mohit creates. What I will do, copy this, go to Google, paste it here and search. So if somebody has already taken the same name, I will not create it. Like we can see, Mohit creates, there is a YouTube channel, there is an Instagram as well, and so on. So I will not take this name. I will take a fresh new name that is not existing anywhere. Marketing, and as we can see, there is no name here, right? So we can take this name, that is marketing with Mohit, and here I am entering this name, and just click on Mohit, continue, and here just click on skip part. This one also skip, continue to dashboard, Done. And here we are. So that's our dashboard to manage the back end of the things. That is home. Getting paid means to connect our, you know, payment system, payment gateway, sales, what we have done right as of now. If we are creating a website for the sale based, and mobile app, inbox, everything you will see here. We will discuss it early, later on. But first, let's see how to create a website. So on this dashboard, on the right hand side, you will see this design site. Click on it. So two options are here. That is generate a design, that means with AI, and pick a template, that means you do all the changes and with yourself. So we will pick it because if we know how to create a website by manually, then with AI you can create it easily. So we are picking a template. Now just like Canva, you will find here the templates for your website. So a lot of pages are here as well, the templates here. Suppose we are into the business, so I can just click on business here, and the templates will be related to the business thing. Like you can see 38 pages on it, right? And if I want to create it for myself, like here personal CV, and more here as well. For the creative part here as well, that is photography. If you are a photographer, if you are a designer of architecture, and musician, singer, portfolios, every option you will find it here. Like you're creating it for the schools or universities, it is also here. But we are creating it for as a marketing and advertising. I will just click on the this one. Now here are all the templates. We can just see more and more here, right? So if you like any one of the templates, suppose you want to see what this template is looking like, here on this you will see the view option. So you need to right click it and click on open link in new tab, and it will be open in new tab here. Just close this here and see how this is looking like. See, complete website. You can make or you can do any of the change in it. So if you don't like, you just switch to another one here. Like this, we have more and more templates. Also, like this one, if you want to see, clicking it, and here, as you can see, animations are here as well. So, web with animations, the website look more visual appealing. Okay, so also have some visual animations in it. Here, I want to find one more template if we could. Or just start with these only, not an issue. So here let's just start with this green one here. Okay, we can make all the changes, and if you like this one, just click on the edit this site and close the previous tabs. Now when you open or edit the template, it will look like this interface open. Just close this one, and here on the top right hand you will see this 50% plus 50%. So you need to click on it to make it in the full size like this. Done. Now the most important part, that if you make it wrong, the website will not be looking good. That is, in your keyboard you will see the control option and the plus and minus option. So here I'm clicking the control plus minus. Control minus I have pressed, it is 80% size, and if I do it again it is 75. Suppose you make the website in the size of 75, then this will not be visible to all the screens. Okay, because because the screen sizes of every laptop is different, so this will not be visible to all the screen sizes. So that's why we need to keep it 100%, the page size, that is control plus 80, 90 and 100. Done. So please make sure that your desktop page is in the 100% and not 110 and not 90. Now the website is here. If you want to change this, just want to change any of the things, just like Canva, click on it. Want to change the text, double click. Okay, I want to add here my name, that is marketing with Mohit. I can add marketing with, and I will add here Mohit. Done. The two different, here with the edit text I can add it again, and I want to change the font or anything. Here is the option, that is fonts, this font, and we have more fonts as well. Done. Then want to change the font size, we have the option of font size as well, like this. And below we have the option of bold, italics, underline, the color. See here, two colors are here. So if I select this part, I can change only the color of this, and if I select this one, I can change the color of this one only. Like I want to edit it, not this one, sorry. There is some issue. See here, I am selecting, but it's not selected. There is nothing appearing. So in that case, uh, you can just refresh the page. There might be some issues with the network here. And here we are again done. As we can see, right? So you want to change this yellow color here only. To select that, the color option, here we have the option of my colors to add, and we can choose the any of the color here. Done, and click on apply. If you don't click on apply, then it will not be applied. Done. The color we have changed. Next we have the option of alignment, that is left, right, center, bullet point. We want to add the effects option, the shadow, need to select it first. Like as you can see, there is a shadow part. So this is how you can do. And if we want to add another one, the outline, anything, so you can do it here. Done. The outline we have added. I just double click it, and more options are here, that is character spacing and line spacing. So here character spacing to the 1, not the 1, here just click on 0. Yes, now as you can see, it is nice. Done. So the text option, how to change the text, clear. Now with the text option, there is another, that is generate text with AI. So we don't do this here, we can do that from the chat GPT. Next is animation. That means we add the animations, that is how the text will appear in the starting, like this, the blur one, fold, and more. Done. So you can add any of the text. Here are sorry, any of the animation, but here is the entrance one. In entrance means the animation will be in the entry, and in the loop means it will be from complete on the website, just like this. It will not stop, like this. So you can add that one as well, and the scroll and mouse effect as well. You can see that. That is, if you click on scroll, it will be moving ahead. So here I'm adding the entry point only, and the next is link. If you want to add any of the link, we'll see it later how to add the link on the text as well. Now also, you see these dotted lines here, try to keep your content inside it and not the outside. Like here the content is more of the outside, so we can just keep it like this one. And as you can see, it is still outside. Just select it a little more inside, like this. And now as you can see, a little more is also outside the lines, but not the earlier one. So we can keep this a little bit, the content outside, but try to keep it inside only. Done. Here I think it's clear, that is how to change the text and all. Now let's see how to change the background color here. See, here is the background, just click on it, and when you click on the background, here is the option, that is change background. Click it, and we see these three options, that is color, image, video. That means we can add the color, means change the color of the background, we can add the image in the background, and we can also add the video. Let's see how. With the color, as we can see here, then we can change the color. This is how. So for this one, or if you want to add any other color, just click on add. You can also add the two colors mixture, that is gradient here, like this. Means you want to change this green or want to change this peach, just click on it here, then click on this color, add the green color. And the second one as well, here click, but now we can just keep it a little bit light version, like this one. Click on apply, and here we see the option of linear, we can choose it to radial, like this one. Done. Like as you can see, a little bit shiny in the mid and the dark from the sides, so we choose the radial gradient here. Done. Next is image, that is we want to add the image in the background. So just like Canva, it has also its library here. Done. You can search it here as well, that is digital. I search and I can add any of the suppose this one. It's in the background. And if you want to add the videos, change background, click on video. So just like photos, here we have the videos part as well, and we can use them in the background. Now in the settings option, we have the image opacity and the video opacity option. Opacity means transparency. Okay, the transparency option we know in the Canva, it is called opacity here. Like here, if I just keep it little bit low, as you can see, the green is more visible than this construction. Done. So let's keep it to the blue itself, the original. It will be nice. So just like that, if we come down, we can see here a picture in the section. So we can delete it by clicking on the backspace like it, and we can just shorten this section. Like see, section. What I am saying is section. So here, when you click on the background, you see this blue, the purple one lines here. So you see this like coming and it is dropping here. Okay, done. So it is a one complete section. So when we are creating the website, we create all the we create everything is in section. That means a welcome section, and then we will see the about section in the next one, and the services in the next section, and more. So if you want to keep it smaller, just here you see this option, left roll it and drag it to the above. Again, left roll and drag it to the above like this. And here we can just delete this one as well, and we can just keep the opacity a little bit lower. But to keep it, we need the color behind is no also nice, because it is matching with the theme here. Means the all the themes, all the colors will be the same. Now suppose here I want to add my photo. So what I can do? Okay, so what I can do, I go to this plus symbol, that is the add elements. Okay, in the add elements, the first option is the text. Suppose there is no text here, so I can just here add a text from it. And in the text option, we do have the option of the mask, that is text mask. As you can see, a video is playing in this text. So if you want to add these kind of designs, you can add them from here. So this is the text mask. Suppose I want to add this one and it is added. I can change the double click on it and I can change the text here. It is marketing with Mohit, and this is the text. If I want to change the color, sorry, the media, then I can click on customize design, and here is the option of change media, and we can change the video in it. Suppose this one, change media here, as you can see. Done. So the next is animations, again the same thing. This is how we add the text mask. I just deleted it. Next option is the image. That is what I am we are seeing it for mainly. That is how to add the images in this section. So here we have the option of upload image and the free Wix images. That means we can see keep add the images from the Wix itself as well, and we can upload as well. Like if you click on upload here, upload from computer, and just select a picture. Suppose here I'm selecting the yesterday's picture itself. So the option image is uploaded. Here I just click on add to page. See this image, we can just make it smaller, that is from this point, like smaller from this itself, like it. And we can also keep this text a little bit smaller, like this, so to keep the image from the starting. Here as you can see, a line is coming to show that it is in alignment. Done, the image is here. So here is the design option, this brush option you see. With this we can change the formation, the frames of this one, like it is in the 3D. As you can see, a shadow part here, the tapes are here added, and more it is. If we want to add it in circle, we can add as well. Done. So if we keep it in the circle, we can keep customize the design as well. To change the border color as well, that is the border option, we can change the border here. Let's keep it to the yellow, like to match it, and the width a little bit lower, like this. And if you want to add the shadow, just click on shadow option here, apply the distance, the size of the shadow, as you can see in the background, and the blurriness as well, to keep some blur part here, and the opacity. Done. And we can now keep the distance a little bit lower here, and change the angle as well, that is from which part to show it. Keep the size to the 3 only. And here as we can see, the shadow is here. Done. So this is how we add the pictures. We can keep it in the circle as well, like from here, this. And again, keep make the text smaller, sorry, the section smaller here, like this. And if we want to add the animations just like the text, we can do this here as well. Done, like this one. Now the first section is completed here, with the name, the picture, the background, but not with the tagline. So we can create the tagline from the chat gpt. That is, we can add the name here and ask, give the taglines for this name, and it will give some taglines here as well. So we can just select a one, or we can ask for more as well. Done. Here, keeping this line, we're selecting it a little bit lower like this. Now our first section is done. Next, let's see the other options in the elements as well. The first option, text image, we have done. Next is button. So with the button option you can add some buttons here, just like it, that is join us, send, shop, download, or apply now, call us, these kind of buttons. Suppose the call us button I added, I can just add it here, and I can change the settings. In the setting I can change the text, the icon, and link, the layout. In the layout I can change the pointer, that is from the left, right, spacing, and all the things. Done. Next we have the design option, and I can customize the design of this icon here, that is the background fill. Now here are two options, that is regular and the hover. That regular means the normal it is like we are seeing, and in the hover it will change. Like here I'm changing the color to white, like the color to the white, and text color to the black. First I'm changing, then you can see what I did. Done. Like see now, in the regular and in the hover, like in regular it will appear like this, but if you put your cursor on it, it will look like this one. Means if you keep your cursor on it, it changes its color and the fonts and the design to make it look visually appealing. So in the regular option we change the color, we can change the color, that is, we can keep it to the green, or this one, this yellow one, let's keep it to the yellow, this one. And with the text, changing the text color to the green here. Done. But in the next option, that is the borders, so we can add some borders here. We can add the corners, rounding, the shadow, layout, and the icon. So we need to change the icon color to the green here. We did. And in the hover, like this. Now as you can see, so here I'm putting my cursor, but it is not changing because it will only appear in the live website or in the preview website. Okay, we'll see how. Now I can add some link on it, that is link. And here we have the option of page, web address, section, top, bottom, document, email, phone number. So suppose in the call us, we can keep the phone number here like this, and so that if somebody click on this, they will be redirected to the phone dialer of their phone to make a call. Done. This is the button option. And the next we have a strip, like earlier, and the strip option, as you can see, like earlier there was a background and in the mid there was a picture, so that was due to the strip part only. And if I can just see, there is no strip as of now. Like say, this is a strip, so there is a strip, so we can keep a strip here, and I can move the complete part of inside it with a one time. So that is the point of the strip here and nothing else. Okay, I will suggest to not to use the strip anytime because it will also make the things complex for you. Okay, next we have decoratives. In the decoratives we have the lines if you want, the basic shapes you want, and some illustrations, icons, and all. With the box option, we have the boxes here. we can use. In the gallery option, we have the option of galleries. This will be useful when we will be covering, when we will add the portfolio of ours. Okay, so here the gallery option will be best to show our portfolio. The menu and anchors, we will cover it in the next class. Like after creating the complete website, then it is needed, so you will understand it better. Contact forms that we can add at end of the website. Like here I am showing you one reference here, so that you will understand the things betterly, like what kind of website we are creating here. So this is a website from our student Taki Shaurya. His name is Shaurya. Now he is just a kid. That is, he is around 10 years or 11 years maybe. He is in the fifth class. So he is studying with us and learning the things that at such a smaller age. So that's a good thing, because at that age, or when he will be 18s, he will have a lot of knowledge with himself. Now as you can see, the welcome section, it is now. Next is again the certifications, the about section. As you can see, the graphic design portfolio of his, like these are the designs that are created by himself. This one as well. And then the services, that what kind of services he can provide, that is graphic design he can do, video editing he can do, content writing, and the website design. And in the last, some contact details and the contact form. So this is how you can also create the website for yourself. Other options are also there, that is video interaction. So these options are, right, as of now will not be useful. You can see them later on by yourself, because if you see by yourself you will understand them betterly. Now the first section is clear, that is about. Next we have the sorry, the first section is the welcome, and the next we have is a about section. So we, like as you can see, it is in a very big bold fonts. We can keep it in the smaller fonts, and we can create here the about us, that is create the about us for this website. And as you can see, the about us is created. Welcome to marketing with Mohit. I'm Utkoshik, and the things I do and all others. So I can just copy this part, enter it here, and as we can see, two different fonts, two different designs are here. Pasting here and keeping the font size to smaller, like this, and remove this part from here, and only highlight this one, that is marketing with Mohit, with the color that is yellow we have already chosen, and also select the complete with the to the effect, like we can see, and make the about us point here a little bit bigger, so that it will be visible to everyone, and change the font with the bold and italics. Its font also we need to change, like this one, as you can see. Now as you can see, the content is not aligned, so we need to align it. Like here I am moving it and we see this big line, that means it is aligned. This one as well, this line as well, this tag, keep it like this. Done. Now the about us, a simple line we have added, and we can add the more lines here. The complete about us we have created. Just select it, paste it here, and do the changes here, the spacing part and more here like this. Done. We can change the color to the white here and make them bold or italics, and just change this line only to highlight it, and change the hair box size to make it a little bit smaller like it. Done. The welcome line, the complete about us here, and at marketing with Mohit, my goal is simple. The things that why I highlighted this part and want to change this image, just click on it, click on the change image here. We have the option of upload image, upload media. I can upload my personal image here, like here, this image. Done. And here just choose image. This one is also done, but as you can see, we haven't added any of the animations after from these, so we need to add animations on them as well. Here I added on this, and for the about us as well, it is also done. For this line is also here, and for that we have also, and we can change that as well like this. And for the image, we can do some changes with the image here, that is in the design part. We can choose the this theme and customize it with the borders, to add some borders here for the width 1 or 2 here, like to add some borders, but it is not visible because of the light colors, so we can change it to the black one. And the corners, we can do some radius, corners round. By changing the one, the complete will be changed. Like you can see, the outline is here, and below the shadow is here, and the corners are rounded, so it is looking nice now. And here we do have the learn more, we can delete it and keep it a smaller one. Done. Now we created two sections, but how they are looking in the real one, let's do a preview of it. So here on the top hand side we have the preview option, just click on it. So this is how it will appear with everyone. As you can see, this picture coming and we are scrolling. Done. Nice it is. Mm, here Yes, we do have need to change and this creation of free or free. Okay. See, here are some doubts, so I'm clearing a one, that is creation of website free or paid? So it is free, but only some extent. Like what will happen? You see this Shaurya's website. Now in the Shaurya website, you will see this branding option from the Wix as a Wix site. So if you want to remove this or remove this part as well, for that you need the premium of it. Okay, but for the in the premium we also need to purchase it as a hosting and domain, so we can do that from here itself in the you know Wix it. So it will be beneficial for us and will be lower budget. So I think everything's clear here till now. Let's move ahead here back to the editor. See this one. As you can see, I put a cursor on this. It is changing its color. Done. Here, let me just clear you two more terms. That is user interface and user experience. See, this is the user interface. Like how user is seeing our website. Is it user friendly, or it's opening fastly or not, and all the things. Then how user is seeing our website is comes under the user interface. So this is how our website is looking out to the users. As you can see the animations and all. And the next was the user experience. That means how what is the experience of the user while opening our website. See, the website is open, so here animations are coming, and also when he goes to come here, it sees a good experience as it's changing the color, so it is looking nice. So this is the experience of the user here. Okay, and all the animation, like you can see, like it is backing down, like if I'm scrolling up. So these are comes under the user experience. That means how user is feeling. That also be related with the vibrations of the phones as well, like when somebody calls us, so with the ringing, with the ringtone, a vibration is also done. So that's a experience part of us. Suppose sometimes there is no vibrations, we feel like there is no phone call, and more anything else. So we don't feel like this is our phone, or this is something experienceable or more expensive. We just feel like left out, that what is happening with my phone. So these are related with the user experience. So here, clicking on the back to editor, here we are. And the next we do have is the services part. So here we can just remove this one, this section, and here edit this text first and change the character spacing to 0. Done, like this, and keep. Now see, if I just move it, it is only moving on one single service. But if I just select it, like click on it here and left hold and drag it, like it is selecting the more. So I can drag them with the one time, just like the folders we do in our desktop. Done. And we can just make this section a smaller here, like it. And here for the services part, you can refer with this website. Okay, for the services you can refer to this one as well. I'm also sharing the link. Okay, like the services of the graphic design, graphic design. So just go to the chat GPT and type it here to create the content of the services section on the website. I am providing the services of graphic design and the more, as we have video editing and content writing. Here just add video editing, content writing, and more of website design and website design, and we can enter it. Done. Like here the content is coming and I can just keep it. So here it is, some content is here, you just check it out and then add it. Like here, as you can see, there is a no name from your website, so we can also add, that is to add the names of the, sorry, add the name of the website in the service, that how we can help them. Done. Now it says, as at Marketing with Mohit, we create eye-catching designs. Then we can copy it and paste it here. Here just change this line or just remove this line, keeping it from the beginning like this. Change this one to the graphic design and change the size to the little bit bigger, as we can see. Done. So this is how you add the things. Now you can also add a picture here as well. So to add a picture, just go to the here elements, the image, and we do have the free fix images. Let's see if we find here something related to the graphic design. So some are, but not really matters. So we can also upload the media, like from the Google we can search here, that is graphic design. Go to the image and we will see the options here, this one or this one. Okay, we can just download them, that is save image as png, and after downloading we can upload the media from here, that is upload media, and I can upload that from here any one. Suppose this one, and just select that and add to page, and it will be added here. Done. And just add the animations in it as well. Then this is some done.
Sir, you're not audible.
The slider gallery we have here, and here we can change the images. Like these are the images, we can just
But this
delete
is
them.
not sharing on desktop.
What?
Screen is not visible, sir.
Okay, there might be some issues.
So desktop is not sharing
Yes,
mode.
yes, I got your point. Don't know why the screen got disconnected. Is it visible now?
Yes.
There might be some errors. So from where you have, like, till where you see the screen, this one was the clear, right? Like how to add the text in the slider gallery. You saw the things, that is how to add the slider gallery when I added, yes or no? Yes, everyone. Okay, the last part that you have seen, can you please tell me? The last part, this service part is done, I think. Am I audible, right?
It is clear till you downloaded that graphic design image, sir. After that, we couldn't see the screen.
Okay, after that. Okay, see, after that, I just added this new section. Let's add it again. Right now it's visible, yes, no?
Yes, sir, visible.
Visible,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So here we, after the graphic design image we downloaded, we can just, put it here. Then we see the achievements part, that we can add it here. There's some certifications that you have done, you can change them. And we can, in between, if you want to add your portfolio thing, so you can add a section here, this add section button. So after adding the section, you just go to elements, add the text, change it, that is my portfolio, and change the font and the size. Like after changing, just add it here with the alignment of the last part, like this. And here add the gallery, like from the elements option we have the gallery option here, and add the slider gallery, this one. And we can make it smaller from these four corners, like this, like this. And just click on change images to add our own images, the posters we have done. But here you can just click on remove image, delete, delete, and delete, and click on add images, upload files, upload from computer, and upload your images that we have created in this. Here, this one we have did, and this one we did, this one as well, and this one. And just click on open. And after uploading them, just select with the, sorry, not this, like select this one with the control, like holding the control and clicking on them. Done. And like this and this. We have created. Just click on add to gallery. These are done here. Just click on done option and they are changed. So in the preview section, like if we click on preview, you can see it. Like here are the website. If you click on this, it will be sliding. Done. The length of the page in the website can be 4 or 5 page also. You can add any number of pages in the website. Okay, there is no limit. Now done. Here the welcome section, the about, the services, the portfolio. Now here we can add these certifications as well. Like here you can add our achievement and you can add the certificate, or you can just remove this section as well. And this client feedback we can also remove. Our clients, like if you have any clients right off as of now for your business, you can add them their logo here as a image or remove them. And at the end we have the option of this contact informations. So at the end, get in touch, we can change the information here. Now we can change this name here as well, and the number, mail ID, the address, and remove this part, the below one, the policy and all the things. Done. This is how you create the website. I think everything's clear till now. So what you need to do is also need to create a website so that tomorrow we can do the header part here. Okay, we do some header part, that is how to add the elements or how to add the links that they redirect us, just like this one. Suppose if I click on our services here, it will redirect me to the our service section. So how we do the things, and the mobile view as well. So we will create these things. Tomorrow we'll see the things, but you need to create a website first. So that's it. Just do let me know any of the doubts if you have.
So I can create on my existing email ID, sir, a new website.
Yes, you can create
I
for your own existing email ID,
okay.
because you are creating for yourself now,
Yes, sir.
not a yes.
Okay, thank you.
As the third, we didn't see the okay, that was done. Done. Any other doubts, everyone? Or it's clear everything?
Sir, if we have created any videos and all that, can we add in portfolio or we have to just post the links or something?
You can add in the portfolio.
Directly videos?
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. So there is no doubt as I can see, and yes for now.
Sir, how many
Hmm.
platforms are there to create websites, sir? Like Wix, you said.
Yes.
So, are there any other platforms also?
Platform.
Like
Yes,
hosting or
there
someone is
are other
asking.
platforms as well. You might have heard about the Shopify,
Okay.
right? So Shopify is also a platform, but we prefer the Wix because Wix is easy, and the customer support is also easy
Okay.
and user friendly. It is.
Okay.
Our own website, that is digitaldronacharya.in, it is also made on the Wix.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Latha, yes, we can make the changes after some days as well. Okay. Now see, before leaving this, you need to save this. The website is auto saved, but sometimes due to the network errors, suppose it is not saved, your work will not be there. So you have to do it again. So that's why just click on save every time, and here save and continue. Then your website will be saved. Clear? Kamlesh for website name means can we add an alphabet? I'm not getting a point. See, there are no other doubts. What we can do, let's do one or two more things here. The header one as well. Okay, here is the menu. I'm just removing this, and this part here.
Hi Mohit, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So I was asking if we can, for the website, we can add an alphabet for the existing. For example, if it is Pepsi and we say that, we add IE at the end and we can generate that. So is that okay?
No, because that will be the same name, no? The same name it will be because you are only creating a changing the alphabets here. Okay.
So
Try to keep a new.
adding adding two, three alphabets or something like one, two kind of it. Like,
No, no. See, in the names we don't add any of the numbers. Okay. Suppose I have created a website Digital Dronacharya, then I cannot create another website that is DD or DD1 or Digital Dronacharya 1. That will not look nice.
but I can make small and caps that word difference and adding A
But
or
that
at
the
the end.
name is same, na? You're not understanding the point. The name is same. Suppose your name is Kamlesh, right? You are your official name is Kamlesh. Now I am using your name as K capital A small, but I cannot be the same, no? I am different.
Yeah, but it is just for the example. I can add KAMLESS instead of KAM. That is what I was asking. So
Maybe I'm not
pronunciation will
getting
be
your point.
different.
Maybe I'm not
Pronunciation
getting.
will be different.
Pronunciation will be different.
Yes.
How? Like you can give an example in the chats.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this website can be used in public, right? Suppose if I'm doing a business,
Yes. Yes.
it can be done in the public.
In the
Okay. Okay,
public
sir.
area.
Okay, sir. Let us assume that suppose if I am doing my very big business and I'm generating lot of money,
Yes.
millions. Like you, I am generating millions of money.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose if hackers, if they are trying to hack my website, means will Wix take care of that, or I should go for any private security professionals?
Wix will take care of that as well.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Because Wix, the hackers attack your website when there is no an SSL certificate of your domain name.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
when you purchase the premium version of Wix,
Uh-huh.
okay, in it gives you a 1 year hosting and 1 year domain name
Uh-huh.
free. Okay, that means free
Okay,
because if
okay.
you are purchasing the premium version, so the
Is that
hosting
premium too costly, sir? Is that premium too costly?
the premium is
Approximate
like
how much it will come?
see, we can see it here. Like here we do have the option of upgrade. We can upgrade it here. Here you will get three options, that is light 250 per month, core 500 per month, but actually it is 50% save, so it will be a 250 per month.
Mm-hmm.
I will say suggest 250 per month this version because 50 GB storage it is giving you, and that is a very big space for a website. So if you
Okay.
select this, it will be like for a 1 year and continue. You will see the purchase here, that is 3540
Mm-hmm.
the total.
Okay.
If
For
you
one
see the
year.
original price, that is 6000, but after the discount it is 3000 and 18% GST. So if you have a GST number, you can also claim that, like here GSTN, and it will also be removed.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. So yes, Kamlesh, see, the website name is a Kalakar, and I am creating a website Kalakar. So that's the same thing, na? That's the same thing. You need to change the complete name. So I think no other doubts. We'll see other things tomorrow, like how to publish it, how to do the mobile version of it as well, and more and more. But first, you need to create a website as well. Okay?
Sir, sir, Sumaya is there. Hello,
Yes, yes,
sir.
yes.
Sir, I have one doubt. Once we purchase domain,
Mm-hmm.
after that we go. Our website is shown in Google, sir. Google Drive.
Mm-hmm.
Google, just Google Chrome. You have we just enter whatever Mohit digitalmarketing.com.
Yes,
Just like
yes.
showing, sir.
This
Okay,
may
sir.
show, but you need to do the SEO of that now.
Yes.
Okay, the
Okay.
on page SEO, the off page SEO, all the things you need to
Where?
do, then it will be
Okay.
shown on the Google. Okay.
Okay. This. Okay. Thank
So let's end the session here. Just let me know how's the today's class, everyone.
Very interesting.
Thank you so much, Pritika, and more. Thank you so much, Anand.
Ah,
That's a very nice phrase.
thank you, sir.
And thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.